Innovation isn't just about futuristic technology, it's about finding creative solutions to everyday problems. Here are 7 real-life examples that showcase the power of human ingenuity. 1. Solar-powered water purification system. In areas with limited access to clean water, a solar-powered water purification system has been a game-changer. This device uses the sun's energy to boil and filter water, making it safe for consumption. 2. The edible packaging. To reduce plastic waste, some companies have developed edible packaging for their products. Made from materials like seaweed or plant-based fibers, these packages are not only biodegradable but also a tasty treat. 3. The self-healing concrete. Cracks in concrete can lead to costly repairs. Scientists have developed a self-healing concrete that can repair itself by using bacteria to produce a mineral that fills the cracks. The solar-powered road. Imagine a road that generates its own electricity. This innovative concept involves embedding solar panels into the road surface, harnessing the sun's energy to power streetlights and even charge electric vehicles. The Braille Keyboard. For visually impaired individuals, typing can be a challenge. A Braille keyboard, equipped with tactile feedback, allows users to navigate and type using their fingertips. The Water-Harvesting Pavement. In areas with limited water resources, a water-harvesting pavement has been developed. This pavement can collect rainwater and store it for later use, such as irrigation or replenishing groundwater. The recycled plastic brick. Plastic waste is a significant environmental problem. Recycled plastic bricks offer a sustainable solution by converting plastic waste into building materials, reducing the demand for traditional bricks and reducing landfill waste. These examples demonstrate that innovation can come from anywhere and in any form. By thinking creatively and finding innovative solutions, we can address some of the world's most pressing challenges.